Sometimes all you need is a quick reference for the Burrito Pillowcase. And here it is. They're all stacked. This is the cuff right side up. This is the main pillowcase, and it is wrong side to the cuff, like that. And then the 3-inch trim piece goes on top. All of the sides are aligned. I'll continue to roll this up and fold the cuff on top, pin it together, and sew it. That's the main part. I use the 1D foot to sew through all the layers, and I use the triple stitch to secure it. I also moved my needle 4 to the right. The next part is turning it right side out. Once it is turned, it looks like this. And the next step is to iron that cuff nicely. I sewed the sides of the pillowcase together by making a French seam. And how you do that is, first of all, you pin all around the 2 sides with the wrong sides together, turn it inside out, and then put the right sides together, and then you end up with a French seam like this. So that way there are no raw edges. It's a beautiful pillowcase when done. And there we have it. Those 2 pillowcases are done, and I'll make 2 more to coordinate with my quilt and these pillows. All in a good day's work.